Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to make sillybuts low hard tendon claw. What you will need: a pair of pliers, 2 rubber bands, a small hammer, and some lubricant. I lubricate all the parts before starting this, so I won't be doing this, but you need to lubricate the inside of this PT lining, this O-ring, and this O-ring. Let's get right into it. Alright, this part. You want to push these pins into it, like this. You want to get your trigger, look at like this. You want to get your sear and put it in like this. Now you want to get your other parts and align them like this. Great. Now you're going to push this part a little bit down, get your rubber band, and do it like this. Push this back into it, and you're going to get your grip. Get this part, push it into your grip. Then you're going to get this part again and push it in. Get your band again. You're just gonna get your band, just gonna put it over this. Gonna line it with a little groove here, and it's done. Now you're gonna get your trigger. So now that's fixed. Step 2 is getting this part and putting it in. I already glued it, but yes, I glued it. That's because better air seal. You're going to put some O-rings on it, you're going to lubricate them well. Put your smaller O-rings on this. Perfectly fine. Same counts for this, put them over it and lubricate them. Get your plunger tube, get your PT lining. This is the smooth part, lubricate that. That's the inside. Pull this in, put this part in here, and put this part in like this. Great. That's very smart of me, because I forgot to tell you something. Now you're gonna get your plunger and put on the prying wires. Yes, this one is broken, don't mind that, it doesn't matter for the tutorial. This part, and you're gonna push it in. This is all check. Now I'm gonna get this part and align it like this. Put it like that. Now you get this part with the round side up. We're gonna push it into here. Check. It's now strong and sturdy. Then you get this part. You will align it like this. And you will put it in here. This part. And pull it through. Important reminder, if you decide to glue this, make sure you don't do it like me and turn it the other way around, so you can actually use the special mag well. You can pull out mags while the thing is primed. Absolute lovely function. Then you just gonna make sure to align everything correctly here. Should be pretty obvious. Double check that the right part of the plunger is back. And you're gonna get this part and line these two. Check. Now we're gonna get these parts and push them all the way to the front. Get this part, slide it through, click them in. Get these, make sure they align. Get this part, pull them in, pull them around. Get this part, do that. Now you have two of these parts. This piece you will put in here with a round side to the side, and this part here you want to keep. Get your spring and just push it in. Get this end cap. I put some darts in it because my spring was slightly too short, but you can also buy one from like Surfrock Industry that's pre-cut and just perfectly fantastic. Go support those guys out, they're amazing. Now that you've done all of that, you're going to get your barrel, push it in to make a pretty noticeable sound. Well, it's all fit in. Then you'll get this part and move it in. Click this in and boom. Test fire it. It works like a charm. Let's put some darts to it. You can see mag release works, but to do my lighter bend, it's super sensitive, and I like my mag release like that. Just now you can fire. Make sure to point in a good direction, and you will fire. Mine hits around like 170, 180 with my K25. What I've heard from sillybuts is that you will hit with like low power 10 class springs, you'll get around 100, 120. But it's a very fun build, and I hope you add something on this video. If you have any concerns or comments, just let me know, and I will try to answer them. I hope I made this clear in this video, and I will see you next time.